Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this updated guide, we're showing you exactly how to uninstall Android Auto on the phone, step by step, with clear and simple instructions. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. You can easily find it on your home screen or in the app's drawer. This is where all the major system features and app controls are located. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option called Apps. Tap on it to open the menu, where you'll be able to manage every app installed on your device. Step 3. From the Apps section, you'll see a long list of all the applications installed on your phone. Tap on the search bar at the top, type in Android Auto, and then select it from the results once it appears. Step 4. You're now on the App Info page for Android Auto. Here, scroll down a little and you'll notice options like Disable or Uninstall Updates. Tap on the one that's available. You'll get a confirmation pop-up. Go ahead and confirm your choice. And that's it! You've successfully uninstalled Android Auto on your phone. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.